Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Biological functions of milk and its nutritive values. Uh, Milk may be defined as the whole, fresh, clean, lacteal secretion obtained by the complete milking of one or more healthy milch animals, excluding that obtained within 15 days before or 5 days after calving, or such periods as may be necessary to render the milk particularly colostrum free, and obtaining the minimum prescribed percentage of milk fat and milk solid not fat. दूध हम उसको बोलते हैं जो 15 दिन ब्याहने से पहले या 5 दिन ब्याहने के बाद का जो दूध हो, उस दूध को हम मिल्क बोलते हैं। किसी भी डेयरी एनिमल से, अगर किसी भी दूध देने वाले जानवर से अगर हम मिल्क हासिल करते हैं तो वो फ्रेश होता है, क्लीन होता है और मेमरी ग्लैंड से या लैक्टियल ग्लैंड से या साल से, अल्वेलाई से वो सीक्रेट होता है और वो हम हासिल करते हैं जिसमें कोलेस्ट्रम नहीं होता। कोलेस्ट्रम वो दूध है जो ब्याहने के बाद ऑन द वेरी फर्स्ट डे कोलेस्ट्रम आता है और 5 दिन तक वो कोलेस्ट्रम चलता है कुछ भैंसों, गायों में। अदरवाइज इट मे बी ऑफ 3 टाइम्स ऑफ मिल्क, 3 टाइम तक जो है, 3 टाइम चौथाई तक वो कोलेस्ट्रम रहता है। The milk is considered a near complete single food in nature because it contains almost all essential nutrients required for growth and development in adequate and assimilable forms, considered as chief protective food because it has abundant vitamins and minerals, especially calcium. The standards for different classes of milk in India is the buffalo. It gives the 5 to 6% of a fat and 9% of a solid not fat. Cow milk gives 3.5 to 4% of the fat in the milk and 8.5% of the SNF, solid not fat. Goat and sheep gives a 3 to 3.5% of the fat and 9% of the solid not fat, whereas the standardized milk have a 4.5% of the fat and 8.5% of the SNF. Recombined milk has a 3% of the fat and 8.5% of the SNF. Toned milk having a 3% and 8.5% of the SNF. Double toned milk has a 1.5% of the fat and 9% of SNF, whereas the skim milk has lesser than 0.5% of the fat and 8.7% of the SNF. The composition of a milk from a different mammalian species per 100 gram of a milk will be the cow having a 3.2% of the protein in a 100 gram of a milk, 3.2 gram of the protein in a 100 gram of the milk, 3.7 gram of the fat in the 100 gram of the milk, and 4.6 gram of the carbohydrates in 100 gram of the milk, whereas it will contain a 66 kilocalories energy. Humans have a 1.1 gram of the protein, 4.2 gram of the fat, 7 gram of carbohydrate, and 72 kilocalories energy, whereas the buffalo have a 4.1 gram of protein, 9 gram of fat, 4.8 gram of carbohydrate, and 118 gram of a kilocalorie energy. Goat is a 2.9 gram of a protein, 3.8 gram of a fat, 4.7 gram of a carbohydrate, and 67 kilocalories. Donkey have a 1.9 gram of a protein, 0.6 gram of a fat, 6.1 gram of a carbohydrate, and 38 kilocalories energy. The mare has a 2.7 gram of a protein, 0.6 gram of a fat, 6.1 gram of a carbohydrate, and 38 kilocalories. 55 kilocalories in a mare, 6.7 gram of a protein in a sheep, 8.2 gram of a fat in the sheep milk, and 4.7 gram of carbohydrate, and 100 gram of a milk of a sheep, and it is the 121 kilocalories. The mouse is a 9 gram of a protein and 100 gram of a milk, 13.1 gram of a fat, 3 gram of a carbohydrate, and 171 kilocalories. Whereas the whale fish has a 10.9 gram of a protein, 42.3 gram of a fat, and 1.3 gram of a carbohydrate in 100 gram of the milk of a whale fish, having a 443 kilocalories in its 100 gram of the milk energy. The seal having the 10.2 gram of a protein, 49.4 gram of a fat, and 0.1 gram of a carbohydrate, and 502 kilocalories in energy in the 100 gram of the milk. Whereas the gross composition of the milk of various breeds of a cow, the imported cow having a Holstein having a 640 kilo body weight, that produce the milk 7,360 kg, and it will contain 3.54 percentage of the fat, 3.29 percentage of the protein, 4.68 percentage of the lactose, ash 0.72 percentage of ash, and the total solids will be 12.16 percentage. Whereas the brown says having a 6,100 milk yield, and the fat is 3.99%, protein is 3.64%, lactose is 4.94%, ash is 0.74%, whereas the total solids are 13.08%. Ayrshire having a 520 kg body weight, that is having a milk yield is 5,760 kilograms, whereas 3.95% of the fat, 3.48% of the protein, 4.6 percentage of the lactase, and the 0.72 percentage of the ash, and 12.77 percentage of the total solids in the milk. So Guernsey is a 500 kilograms cow. The total yield of Guernsey is 5,270, and the percentage is 4.72 percentage of the fat. Protein is 3.75 percentage of the protein, 4.71 percentage of the carbohydrate, 0.76 percentage of the ash, and total is 14.04 percentage of the total solids. Jersey has a 430 kg weight and 5,600 milk yield kg in a kg, and 5.13% of the fat, 3.9 percentage of the protein, 4.83 percentage of the lactose, and 0.77 percentage of the ash, and the 14.42 percentage of the total solids. Shorthorn 5030 kg weight, having a 5370 kg of a milk yield and 4 percentage of the fat, 3.32 percentage of the protein, 4.89 percentage of the lactose, and 0.73 percentage of the ash. Total solids are 12.9 percentage of the total solids in the milk. The comparative production of the efficiency of the Holstein cows is a 12.16 percentage of the total solids, having a 7,360 kg of the lactation. It is producing 895 kg of the total solids produced per lactation, that is a 140% of her body weight, whereas the Jersey has a 14.42 percentage of the total solids, which is producing a 5,060 kilogram of the lactation, and it is 730 kg of the total solids produced per lactation, that is 170% of her body weight. So approximately composition of the cow is it is containing a water that is 87%. It ranges between the 85 to 88 percentage of the water, where the fat is a 3.9 percentage, which can be ranged in the different cows, that is 2.4 to 5.5% of the fat. Solid not fat might be the 8.8% averagely, but it can range from a 7.9 to 10% of the solid not fat in the cow's milk, whereas the protein may be 3.25%, lactose may be 4.6%. The minerals might be present, that is 0.65 to 0.7%. That may be the calcium, phosphorus, citrate, magnesium, sodium, potassium, zinc, chlorine, ferrous, copper, uh, sulfate, the bicarbonate. The acids may be the 0.18%, that is the citrate, formate, acetate, lactate, and oxalate. The enzymes which may be present in the cow's milk, that is the peroxidase, the catalase, phosphatase, lipase, and the gases which are present in the cow's milk, that's oxygen, nitrogen, and vitamins. That is vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E, vitamin K, vitamin C, and vitamin B. The terms to describe the milk fractions, that's the plasma, milk plasma, which is known as a skim milk. Skim milk is milk minus fat, is known as a skim milk. The milk serum, which is known as a whey, that is the plasma minus casein micelles, is known as a whey. Whereas a solid not fat is known as the proteins, lactose, minerals, acids, enzymes, and vitamins. All are known as combinedly known as a solid not fat. Excluding the fat, all the ingredients, which is excluding the fat and water, all the ingredients present in the milk is known as a solid not fat. These are the proteins, lactose, minerals, acids, enzymes, and vitamins. Whereas the total solids are known as a SNF plus fat. So the total solid, excluding the water, all the ingredients or contents of the milk is known as a total solid. The milk described as an oil in a water emulsion with fat globules dispersed in the continuous serum phase. a colloidal suspension of a casein metals, globular proteins, and lipoprotein particles, a solution of a lactose, soluble proteins, minerals, and vitamins, etc. So all these terms are used for the milk, and for the definition of a milk are the term which may be described. The milk term is may be described in these three definitions. Whereas the milk having the water, if you are excluding the water, the contents of all the contents of the milk are known as the total solids. Whereas the total solids are divided into two contents, that is a fat or a lipids, and the other is known as a solid, not fat. The fat is containing the true fats, which is 98%, and the associated substances, which may be a phospholipids, uh, lecithin, cephalin, and uh, phygomyelin. Whereas the cholesterol may be present, the serotonin may be present, and vitamins are also present in the fat. The vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E, and vitamin K. So these are known as the fats or lipids which are present in the milk, and this is the content of the total solids. The total solids, which is a solid not fat, are lactose, which is a solution from 0.01 to 1 nanometer, and the nitrogen substances may be the non-protein and a protein. Minerals, metals, which is a and the other constituents. This is the pigments, dissolved gases, and as well as the complex enzymes, vitamins. The proteins are casein, that may be alpha, beta, gamma. The beta lactoglobulin, alpha lactoalbumin, and proteose peptone. These are the proteins which are present in the milk, and milk is containing a special protein which is only present in the milk. So therefore the constituents of the milk is the water. Water constitutes the medium in which other milk constituents are either dissolved or suspended. So mostly the solvent, which is known as a dissolving constituents of the milk, that is the water, mostly in a free from, but some portions also is bound form, being firmly bounded by a milk protein and platelets. The milk fat or a lipid having the structure, the bulk of the milk fat is milk exists in the form of a small globules which average at 3 micrometer in size and 0.1 to 22 micrometer. So the oil in water type of emulsion, the surface of the fat globules is coated with an absorbed layer called the fat globule membrane. The fat globule membrane contains the platelets and the proteins in the form of a complex that stabilizes the emulsion, prevents the fat globules from coalescing and separating. So the emulsion can, however, be broken by agitation at low temperature, heating and freezing. So when the milk is held undisturbed, fat globules tends to rise to the surface to form a cream layer. Higher fat contents, a layer sized, uh, the thicker cream will be produced. So Stokes' law says that predicts that the follicular globules free globules will cream due to the differences in the densities between the fat and plasma phases of a milk. However, in a cold raw milk, creaming takes place faster than in predicted by Stokes' law alone. So the cold agglutination, the immunoglobulin M forms a complex with the lipoprotein called cryoglobulin. Cryoglobulin participates onto the free globulin and causes a folliculation, cold agglutination. As a fat globulin cluster, the speed of a rising increases and sweeps up the smaller globules with them. The cream layer thus forms rapidly within a 20 to 30 minutes in a cold milk. Milk lipids chemical properties originates either from a microbial activity in a rumen and transported to a secretory cells via blood and lymph or synthesized in the secretory cells. Main lipids in milk are triglyceride, glycerol, 3 fatty acids. 98% of the main lipids is glycerol plus 3 fatty acids. There is a small number of monodiglycerides and free fatty acids in a fresh milk, which may be due to either early lipolysis or incomplete synthesis. So the major fatty acids in the milk are the long chain is C14, myristic 11%, C16, palmitic 26%, C18 stearic 10%, C18 oleic 20%, and C4 butyric, C6 caproic, C8 caprolic, C10 is capric, that is a short chain fatty acids. So the other lipid classes in the milk is a phospholipids, that is 0.8%, mainly associated with a free globulin membrane. The cholesterol 0.3%, mainly located in a free globulin core. Lipids of the milk are a triglyceride, which is 98 to 99%, and that is a fat globules. Phospholipid is 0.2 to 1%, that is the globule membrane and a serum. Sterol and cholesterol, cholesterol is a 0.23 to 0.4%, is a fat globules, globule membrane and milk serum. Free fatty acids, they are traces and fat globules and milk serum. The wax and sequelins traces are present in the fat globules. Whereas the constituents and the ranges of occurrence and the location in the milk is fat soluble vitamins. They are traces present in the fat globules. The vitamin A in the micrograms per gram fat is 7 microgram to 8.5 microgram. Carotenoids microgram per gram fat is 8 to 10 micrograms per gram, whereas the vitamin E is microgram per gram fat is 2 to 50 micrograms per gram of the vitamin E in the fat. Vitamin D having only a traces and vitamin K having a traces in the milk. So the milk is one of the most nutritious drink in the world. It's not only a rich in a high quality protein, but also an excellent source of vitamins and minerals, such as calcium, vitamin B12, and riboflavin. For this reason, it may cut your risk of a osteoporosis and reduce the blood pressure. The milk, it is the secretion of a mammary glands in a human and animals after labor or parturition. It is the only food for a newborn for a long period till weaning time. Before the birth, the fetus receives its nutrition through the placenta. Milk secretion is stimulated by a prolactin. Milk flow is decreased by estrogen and progesterone while increased by a thyroxine. Initiation of the lactation may result from a sudden removal of the placenta and other factors. Oxytocin, the posterior pituitary hormone responsible for milk ejection. Biological functions of milk are the milk an opaque white fluid rich in fat and protein secreted by female mammals for the nourishment of their young. Milk contains antibodies and other anti-infectious agents. Milk provides the newborn baby with the needed nutrients. Several different types of the white blood cells are secreted, including both neutrophils and macrophages in the milk. The composition of the milk, as earlier is described, that the water is the principal constituents of the milk. Milk provides essential nutrients and is an important source of dietary energy. High quality proteins and fats are present in the milk. Milk consists of nutrients like calcium, magnesium, selenium, riboflavin, vitamin B12, and pantothenic acid. Milk and milk products are a nutrient dense foods. Their consumption can aid adversely to a plant-based diets. Animal milk can play an important role in the diets of children in population with a very low fat index and limited access to other animal source foods. The color, flavor, and composition of the milk depends on the species of the dairy animals, its breed, age, diet, along with the stage of lactation, parity, the number of percussion, farming system, and physical environment can change the color of the milk. So this is the milk composition in the dairy animals. The cow having a 87% water, 3 to 4% fat, 3.5% protein, and 5% lactose, 0.8% minerals. Yak milk having a 83% of the water, 5 to 5% to 9% of the fat, 4 to 5.9% of the protein. Solid contents are 18%. Whereas the equine milk, horse and donkey milk containing a water 91%, fat 1.9%, protein 2.5, particularly the casein. The lactose is 6.3% rich, whereas the mineral is 0.3%. Camel is containing 86.5% of the water and the 4% of the fat. Protein is 3.6% and lactose is 5%, whereas the minerals are 0.4%. Human milk is the water 87.6%, the fat 4%, protein 1.2%, lactose 7%, minerals 0.4%. The goat milk is containing water 87%, fat 4%, protein 3.6%, lactose 4.5%, minerals 0.9%. The sheep is containing the 80% of the water in the milk, whereas the 8% of the fat, 5.6% of the protein, 4.8% of the lactose, and 0.9% of the minerals. The buffalo cow is containing 82% of the water, 0.8% of the minerals, and 4.5% of the protein, 4.8% of the lactose, and 7 to 9% of the fat. The milk is formed from water that is 87%, solids forms a 13%. The organic constituents of the milk is protein, lipid, carbohydrate. Inorganic constituents of the milk is minerals and vitamins. The nutritive value of the milk is the nutritional composition of milk is highly complex and it contains almost every single nutrient that your body needs. 1 cup 240 ml of a whole cow's milk with a 3.25% provides a 149 calories, whereas the 88% of the water, 7.7 grams of the protein, 11.7 grams of the carbohydrate, 12.3 grams of the sugar, and 0 grams of the fiber, and 8 grams of the fat. It strengthens the body, it gives strength to the hairs, and it also gives the strength to the nails of in the human body. Organic constituents of the milk are protein. Milk protein less in a human than in a cow's milk. All milk protein synthesized in the mammary glands. Milk protein of a high coefficient digestibility, that is a 85 to 95%, characterized by the protein of a high biological value as it contains all essential amino acids, easily digested, easily absorbed, easily metabolized. It contains a moderate amount of a non-essential amino acids to decrease the stress on the body cells, essential to keep a positive nitrogen balance and nitrogen intake more than nitrogen output, essential to maintain the growth of a newborn. The milk protein, the milk is a rich source of a protein, providing approximately 1 gram of this nutrient in each fluid ounce, 30 ml. 7.7 gram of each cup, 240 ml, is containing the protein. It is most important to fight diseases, renew cells, build muscles, maintain healthy hair and nails. So the casein form, the majority is 80% of the protein is casein. So the whey protein is another family of the protein, accounting of a 20% of the protein content in the milk. Whereas the types of milk proteins are casein, lactoalbumin, lactoglobulin, milk enzymes. Casein, it is a main and a most dominated milk protein. It represents 25% of a human's milk and 83% in a cow's milk, whereas it is compound protein, phosphoprotein of a high biological value. The high phosphate contents of casein allows it to associate with the calcium and form a calcium phosphate salts. So casein contains 0.7% phosphorus and 0.7% sulfur. Casein is the only milk protein that not coagulated on boiling. The net charge of a milk protein is negative charge, so the protein molecules remain separated from each other due to a repulsion force. The lactoalbumin is representing 87% of the whey protein, and protein precipitation by a full saturation with ammonium sulfate, rich in cysteine and cysteine, so gives a positive results with a sulfur taste. So the simple protein, soluble protein, easily digested protein is a lactoalbumin. So the lactoglobulin represent 30% of the whey protein, and protein precipitation by a half saturation with an ammonium sulfate solution rich in cysteine and cysteine, so gives a positive results with a sulfur taste. Simple protein, soluble protein, easily digested protein consists of a two fractions, that is the alpha lactoalbumin, that is a 32% of the whey protein, beta lactoalbumin, that is a 55% of the whey protein. The milk enzymes which are present in the milk are catalase, peroxidase, xanthine oxidase, alkaline phosphatase, amylase, lipase, and aldehyde oxidase. The minerals which are present in the milk is rich with many minerals which are essential for a good health. Calcium for a healthy and strong bones, teeth, and also for lowering the blood pressure. phosphorus for energy release, magnesium for proper functioning of the muscles, zinc for a function of the immune system, iodine for a regulation of the body's rate of a metabolism. The vitamins, the milk contains a vitamin B with a riboflavin, which is important for a healthy skin. Other vitamin B, thiamine, niacin, B6, folate for a production of a cell, B12, vitamin A for a good eyesight and immune function, vitamin C for the formation of a healthy connective tissue. Vitamins milk is deficient in the vitamin C, associated ascorbic acid 1.5 milligrams in 100 ml of cow's milk. Vitamin D, vitamin K. Milk contains an adequate amount of a vitamin B complex, which are sufficient for a first week of a life. So pantothenic acid, riboflavin gives the way the greenish tint in the sunlight. The milk is containing a 9 essential nutrients. That is a calcium, strong bones, vitamin D, calcium absorption, riboflavin, energy, phosphorus, strong bones, protein, lean muscles, potassium, fluid balance and blood pressure, vitamin A, good vision and skin health, vitamin B12, red blood cell formation, niacin is an energy. So the milk is a most important dietary atom for getting energy, immune system, and strong, making your bones more stronger. So the lipids, the humans and cows milk contain the same amount, 3.5 gram of a per day, but the buffalo's milk is a little higher, 7 gram per day. So easily separated on staining, responsible for a white color of a milk. So it consists mainly of a triacylglycerol distributed as a coarse emulsion which contains oleic, myristic, palmitic, and stearic fatty acids. Also contains small amounts of a phospholipids 0.1%, cholesterol 0.01%. Carbohydrates, the lactose milk sugar is the only carbohydrate of a milk. It is reducing disaccharides consist of a glucose and galactose. Humans milk contains a 7% of a lactose, while the cow's milk contains a 5% lactose. Lactose may be excreted in the urine during the last third of a pregnancy physiologically, so it should be differentiated from a glucose by a Osazone test. The fat milk contains a fats which is needed in a small amount in the proper functioning of the cells. Milk fat lowers the levels of a bad cholesterol. The amount of a fat in the milk depends upon the percentage of a choose to consume. The carbohydrate, the source of a carbohydrate in the milk is a lactose, which gives energy to the body. The factors affecting the milk composition, the species, milk protein, that is the rabbit milk is a 10%, while the cow's milk is a 3.7% milk fat. The milk fat is in the cow's 3.5%, while the buffalo's milk has a 7%. So, for example, age also affects on the milk composition. The old age decreases the fat contents of the milk. Seasonal variations also affects on the milk composition. The winter increases in the fat, protein, and mineral contents of the milk, whereas the nutritional variation, if you overfeeding has no effect on the milk composition, underfeeding decreases in the milk volume and protein and lactose contents of a milk, while the fat contents of a milk increased. So the infections of a mammary glands like a mastitis also affects on the milk composition. It decreases the fat, lactose, casein contents of a milk, while whey protein and chloride ions increased in the mastitis. Inflammation order also causes the effect on the milk composition. Uh, okay, it is nutritive value. The yogurt. Sorry. Okay, now we are talking about the dairy products, which is um manufactured from the milk. The dairy products are cultured dairy products, that is the yogurt. We can also make a byproduct of a milk, that's butter. We can also produce from a milk, that's cream, to isolate a cream, separate a cream from a milk. We can make a cheese from a milk. We can produce a concentrated dairy products or a frozen dairy products from the milk. The yogurt, the dieting value, the yogurt contains the HPV protein necessary for growth. Therefore, it is a suitable food for children and teenagers and necessary to repair the cells essential for those recovering from illness. Yogurt is easily digested and is suitable for the elderly, uh, convalescent. Low-fat yogurts are available and are particularly suitable for those on low kilocalories diets. Economic value of the yogurt is that yogurt can be used as a wide variety of dishes. Yogurt is available in a wide variety of the flavors. Yogurt is relatively inexpensive to buy. The nutritive value of the yogurt is having a protein of a HPV. The fat is saturated fats and amounts depends on the type of a milk, low fat and skimmed milk or a full fat. So carbohydrate having the milk sugar lactose can be introduced by the addition of a fruit and even sweeteners. So vitamins, the fat soluble vitamin A and D, water soluble B1 and thiamine B2, riboflavin and niacin is also present in the yogurt. Minerals like calcium and small amount of the potassium and phosphorus is present in the yogurt, whereas the water varies according to the fat contents. The storing of the yogurt, you can store the yogurt at a 5 centigrade of a refrigerator, used within the base before that. So the bio yogurts contain additional bacteria cultures such as Lactobacillus casei, which manufacturers claim support the natural bacteria in the intestine and help to regulate the digestion. So it is working like a probiotics. So on its own, the uses of the yogurts, the smoothies, the desserts are fruit salads, in desserts of a cheese, cakes, or dips, and savory dishes carry. So you can use the yogurt in a different desserts, or as well as you can even use it with the meals. You can make even the juices of the yogurts to drink. So the butter is a manufactured from a milk that is a water in the oil emulsion. The nutritive value of the butter is that it is containing a protein, a little high biological value protein in a butter. Fat, animal fat, saturated fat, the fatty acid is called butyric acid. Carbohydrates like traces amounts of lactose, milk sugar is present in the butter. Vitamins like soluble vitamins, vitamin A and vitamin D and vitamin E is present in the butter. Minerals, the traces of the minerals like calcium, phosphorus, sodium, chlorides are added during the production even. Uh, and then the water is also present in the butter, that is a small amount, 14 to 16% of the water is present in the butter. Whereas the composition of the butter is that the protein is 1%, fat is 82%, carbohydrate is 0.5%, vitamins is 0.5%, minerals are 2%, and the water is 14%. Must contain at least 80% of the fat to be called a butter by law. The cream fat from milk is pasteurized. Cream is cooled and the fat hardens. The cream is churned and the fat clumps together. The liquid part called buttermilk is drained out. The salt 1.5% is added. The butter is packed for sale. The types of the butter is salted butter, that is the 2% of the salt is added, which is used in the baking and the table use. Whereas unsalted, no salt is added, low sodium diet baking. The spreadable butter is churned for longer periods of time to allow for the fat globules to separate. This allows for a more spreadable product that is used in the sandwiches. Low fat contents reduced by 50%. Low kilocalories diets, mostly the peoples which are doing a diet, they are using a low fat content butter in their diets. Whereas the concentrate butter that is made up of 84% of the fat, which is used in the sandwich, is also in the meals when they are cooking. So the butter is used in the is available in the different types, and they are being used in the different uses of the butter. Whereas the cream, milk is an oil in water emulsion. So the cream is made from the fat of the milk. That the nutritive value of the protein is the approximately 3% in cream. The HBV, high biological value animal protein called casein, is present in the cream. That is a 3%, and the fat varying quantities of a saturated fat depends on the type of the cream. Whereas the carbohydrate is present at the level of a 2.4%, the sugar lactose, and the cream is also containing the small amounts of the B group vitamins, A and D group vitamins, whereas the minerals are present, that is the calcium, and the water varies according to the type of the cream. The production of the cream, the milk is heated to a 50 centigrade. It is then subjected to centrifugal force, which separates the upper cream layer from the lower layer of the skimmed milk. The cream is heated using a pasteurization, sterilization, and ultra heat treatment. The types of the cream: half cream, that is containing a 12% of the fat, pouring cream used in the desserts, whereas the single cream, which is containing a 18% of the fat, that is also used for a pouring cream used in the dessert and sauces, whereas the double cream, which is containing a 48% of the fat, that is used for a decoration of the desserts, wiping cream, that is containing a 35% of the fat, that is a decoration of the desserts, a UHT cream, ultra high temperature cream, is the 35% fat, that is trifles. The sour cream is a 18%, containing 18% of the fat, that is used in savory dishes, sweets and sour. The cream alternatives are cream Frenchies, 30% of the fat, a mixture of the sour cream and a yogurt, or buttermilk. Whereas the fromage fries, 13% of the fat, and blend of a soft cheese. The Greek yogurt, 10% of the fat, thick creamy yogurt used instead of a cream. Whereas the cheese that can be classified as a hard cheese, that is known as a cheddar, parmesan, or a Swiss cheese. Semi-hard cheese, that is a Stilton or Gouda. The soft cheese, that is a cottage, berry, mozzarella or feta. The processed cheese is a cheese spread, cheese slices, smoked cheese. So the composition of the cheese is a hard cheese is containing a 26% of the protein, 33% of the fat, 0% of carbohydrate, vitamin A, vitamin B2, calcium, and the minerals are calcium, and the water is 37%. Whereas the soft cheese is containing a 14% of the protein, 4% of the fat, 4% of the carbohydrate. It is containing a vitamin A, vitamin B2, and in the minerals, it is containing a calcium, and it is also having a 77% of the water in it to make it softer. The nutritive value of the cheese is that it is containing a protein, high biological value casinogen, whereas the fat saturated and a hard cheese has more than a soft cheese, whereas the carbohydrates, none is a hard cheese as they are lost during the processing. The small portion in a soft cheese of the disaccharide lactose is present, whereas the vitamin A, B2, riboflavin, and a D, the no vitamin C is present in the cheese. Whereas the minerals, hard cheese is a very good source of calcium. The water, which is in the hard cheese, it is a 33%, and in the soft cheese, it is a 75%. So the cheese making, the milk is pasteurized, then the lactic acid bacteria is added. This changes the lactose milk sugar to a lactic acid. Milk is warmed to approximately a 30 centigrade. The enzymes rennet is added. Milk protein casinogen converts to a casein. The mixture is left for between a 30 to 45 minutes until the casein turns to a curd solid and a base liquid. So whey is drained off and the curds are chopped. Cottage cheese, that is developing a cottage cheese. Scalding the curds are heated again to a 40 centigrade to shrink the further and the squeeze out more wheys. So the cheddaring, the curds are cut into blocks packed on the top of each other to remove any remaining whey. The 2% of salt is added and more whey is drained off. The cheese is pressed into molds. For protection, the cheese is sprayed with a hot water and this forms a rind. The cheese is removed from molds and wrapped in the polythene bags where it is left ripen. The ripening time varies with the type of a cheese. Cheddar cheese is left to ripen for up to 1 year at 10 centigrade. So cheddar cheese is produced at this point. The cheese is stamped, graded, and packed. The dieting value of the cheese is that it's rich in a protein, calcium, essential for a growth and children, adolescent, pregnant women, nursing mothers, high energy food suitable for active peoples, cottage cheese 4% fat, low fat type for low kilocalories or low cholesterol weight watching diets, lacks the carbohydrates should be eaten with a foods rich in a carbohydrate, brown bread, versatile, used in a wide range of dishes, economical, little or no waste, quick and convenient, high energy nutrition snacks. Whereas the culinary uses of the cheese is the hard snack cheese on a toast, cold snack sandwiches, sauce making cheese sauce, filling omelets, as dips and spreads, toppings of a pizza, course at the end of a meal, cheese board, protein alternative, and enhances the nutritive value of a dish. So the cheese is used for a multiple purpose and multiple dishes are being made with this mixing of a cheese. So the frozen are dairy products that have been separated and stored at a very low temperature. Ice cream made from milk, cream, sugar flavoring generally has about a 6 to 8 grams of a fat. Reduced a fat has about a 4 to 5 grams of a fat. Fast, low fat has less than a 3 grams of a fat. A non-fat has less than a 0.5 grams of the fat. Sherbet made from a milk, sugar, and a fruit juices. Frozen yogurt made from a cultured dairy products, sugar, and flavoring. So there is a concentrated the dairy products that have been has had the water or a liquid removed to increase the density. So the examples are evaporated milk has some water removed, can be reconstituted and used as a fresh milk, available in a cans. Sweetened condensed milk has a water removed and a sweetener added, used most commonly in a baking, cannot replace the fresh milk or evaporated milk available in a cans. So non-fat dry milk powder used by chefs because it does not spoil and it costs less than a fresh milk and can be reconstituted and used as a fresh milk. Comes powders in a packets, boxes, thin hard cocas. So thank you very much. You can follow my this lecture on the YouTube. You can also follow these lectures in the Facebook, and this can be followed in the stream, Microsoft Stream, to see again and watch again these lectures, and as well as you can ask for the lectures through email or through WhatsApp, and the after completing this lecture will be available in your files. So thank you very much. If you have now any question before I may have to take your attendance, so that the attendance, I have taken your attendance. Now you can ask me any question related to this nutritive value or biological functions of the milk. So as you have seen that it is very important diet item, and even the byproducts are very rich in the nutritive values. This might be the last lecture of a theory which is online, and then hopefully that in the next week we might be attending the classes in the university. तो फेस टू फेस हो सकता है कि हमारी जो है नेक्स्ट वीक में क्लासेस चलें, और उसमें डेफिनेटली द मेथड विल बी चेंज of a teaching, and I hopefully that that method will be a more comprehensive, and even we may have to conduct easily the midterm test as well as the face-to-face teaching and the learning process is the best process and worldwide standardized process. So hopefully that in the next week we may have to be conducting these lectures face to face. Thank you very much. There is no questions, so I'm leaving and ending this meeting.